In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to OCR a PDF in Bluebeam. If you've ever opened a scanned PDF and found you can't search for words or select any text, that document is just an image. OCR, or optical character recognition, converts that image into text your computer can recognize. This makes your file searchable, lets you copy text, and greatly improves workflows like reviewing, indexing, and creating hyperlinks. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently in Bluebeam Revu. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure you're working with the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions. If the text already highlights when you drag your cursor, the document may not need OCR, but it's fine to proceed if you're unsure. Next, head to the top menu and choose Document, then OCR, and select Recognize Text. This opens the OCR dialog where you'll make a few key choices that determine how your file is processed. First, decide which pages to process. Choose All if you want the entire document handled in one pass. This is ideal for complete sets or when you want consistent results across the whole file. If you only need one page, Current limits the process to the page you're on, and if you know the exact pages to target, Page Range lets you specify them. For very long PDFs, processing a smaller range can save time and help you verify results before you apply OCR to everything. Now select the language that matches the text in your document. Picking the correct language boosts accuracy, especially for special characters, accents, or technical terms common in that language. If your content includes regional spellings or symbols, choose the closest match to the document's primary language. Next, choose your output type. Searchable text attempts to convert the scanned image into actual editable text. This can reduce file size and make the content cleaner if the scan is high quality. Searchable image preserves the original page image and overlays an invisible text layer behind it. This is a great choice when you need the page to look exactly the same, including stamps, signatures, and imperfect scans, while still enabling search. When your selections are set, click OK to start OCR. You'll see a progress indicator while Bluebeam processes the pages. The time required depends on how many pages you chose and how clear the scan is. When it's done, your PDF will contain recognized text, making searches, selections, and copying possible without changing your established layout. That's all it takes to OCR a PDF in Bluebeam. Open your file, go to Document, OCR, recognize text, choose pages, set the language, pick your output, and click OK.